Okay, today let's discuss factoring sum or difference of cubes. So, you know that the sum or difference of two cubes can be factored in a product of a binomial and a trinomial. So, say for example, we have x cubed plus y cubed. So, this is equal to the product of a binomial, x plus y, and then a trinomial, which is x squared minus xy plus y squared. Or, let's say we have x cubed minus y cubed. So, the first is addition, the second is subtraction of cubes or difference of cubes. So, this can also be expressed as a product of a binomial. This is a binomial with two terms, and then a trinomial with three terms. So, this is equivalent to x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. So this is easy to be remembered if you use a mnemonic. There is a mnemonic. We will use this mnemonic. Let's use this mnemonic. Soap. The word is soap. So what's this all about? So the letters stands for same sign, same sign as in the middle of the original expression, and opposite sign, and always positive. Always positive. Okay, let me explain a little bit about this mnemonic. So let's put that into context. So that is, say we have x plus or minus, meaning to say it's either x cubed plus or minus y cubed. It's either addition or subtraction or sum or difference. So this is equivalent to x. So we will take same sign, and then y, and then times we have x squared, then we have opposite sign, that's opposite sign, and then we have xy, and then after that always positive. That's the last term, always positive. So let's make it smaller, always positive, and that is y squared. So take note. So if it is positive, since it is addition, as you can see, if it is addition, it's opposite. So addition, opposite, opposite. The middle term is opposite. And the last term is always positive. So the word is so. Same sign, opposite sign, always positive. So let's have an example of factoring cubes of sum or difference of cubes. So example number one, let's say we have 27 p cube plus q cube. So as you can see, this is positive. So in the first parenthesis, we're gonna use same sign. So that is cube root of 27 p cube. We're gonna take the cube root of 27 p cube, which is 3p. So meaning we're gonna put it there, and then the sign, that's positive, same sign. So here, and then cube root of q cube, that's going to be q. So that is q here. And then on the second parenthesis, we're gonna use opposite sign and always positive on the last term. So opposite sign in the middle. So square the first term, we're gonna square 3p. So 3p square it, that's going to be 9p square. So we put it there, 9p square. And then we're gonna use opposite sign for the middle, opposite sign. Now we're gonna multiply the first and the second, 3p times q. So that's going to be 3pq. So this is 3pq. And then finally, we're gonna square the last term. Square the last term. We have q square is going to be q square. So always positive on the last term. So that is plus q square. So that's how we use the mnemonic soap. Again, take note of the word soap. In the first parenthesis, we have same sign. And then in the middle of the trinomial terms here, that's opposite sign. So what's the opposite of positive? That's negative here. So the opposite of that is negative. And then on the last term, the sign of that will always be positive. So that's how we simply factor out a cube of sum or difference of two cubes. Let's have another example. Let's move this a little bit. Okay, so example number 2. Let's say, for example, we have 125 a cube minus 8b cube. So as we can see here, so let's put it here. What's the cube root of 125? That's going to be 5 times 5 times 5. So that's cube root of 125a cube is 5a. So, and then the cube root of the second term, which is 8b cube, is going to be, so what is that number when you multiply 3 times? Becomes 8. That's 2. So 2 times 2 times 2, that's going to be 8. So 2, and then cube root of b cube is b. So we put it here. In the first parenthesis, same sign. So since this is negative, same sign. So we have 5a, same sign, which is minus, and then 2b. Okay, then on the second parenthesis, we have to square the first term. Square 5a is going to be 25a square. So we just squared 5a. And then we're going to have the opposite sign. Multiply this. That's going to be 10ab. So you multiply the first and the second. And then finally, the last term will always be positive. That is square of the last term. 2b times 2b, that's 4b squared. So that's how we simply factor out cube of sum or difference of cubes.